Hello everybody, today we're gonna talk about energy and states of matter with math and science. Let's start. Learning intuitions. I am learning about thermal energy. Success criteria. Define. I can define substance and atoms. Analyze. I can analyze that. How can the size, mass, and temperature of an object affect the thermal energy? Compare. I can compare the thermal energy of different objects based on mass, temperature, and the size. Let's complete. Thermal energy depends on the mass, size of matter, and number of particles, temperature, and state of matter. Remember, order of the order of energies are these, and also plasma is included: liquids, solids, gases, and also they are the states of matter, the substance, and temperature and mass. You need them all to find the thermal energy. Thermal energy depends on mass. Here's the first example. On mass, we have a small cup of water and we have a huge bathtub. Which one has more mass? For reasons, we could say both of them have the same temperature, 10 Celsius. 10 Celsius. And both of them are the same state of matter, liquid. Who is greater? It will be the bathtub. Why? Because it has more mass than the cup of water. Let's complete. Water in a glass, water in a bathtub. Reasons: larger the sample of matter, more thermal energy. Which beaker of water has more thermal energy? A or B? Let's start. Here you see both liquid, same temperature. Mass is different. Look, mass is 400, 200. Who's greater? This one. Cup B, beaker B. Reasons: while temperature is the same, so larger size will have more thermal energy. You saw it, the same state of matter, the same temperature, but the difference with mass. Thermal energy depends on temperature. In a cup of hot tea and a cup of cold tea, the tea has the same mass and same number of particles. Which cup has more thermal energy? Why? The hot tea or the cold tea, they are both the same. Both are in the same. But this is hot. You see it by its steam. This is cold. Who will have more thermal energy? It will be the hot one because it's the same state of matter, same mass, but different temperature. And higher temperature, higher thermal energy. Answer: hot tea because it has higher temperature. Thermal energy depends on states of matter. The pasta in this example is a solid and the water is the liquid. So, which one will have more thermal energy? Substances are made up of different types of particles, so they have different amounts of thermal energy. The water contains more energy than the pasta because it is in a liquid state. Correct. Yes, it is in a liquid state. The water is boiling first of all. We don't care now like in the temperature, like it's like the same temperature, like think of it, huh? And the pasta, and they're the same mass, but the difference is by the state of matter. Liquid beats solid, gas beats liquid. What do pasta and water contain different amount of energy? because they are two different substances made of two different types of particles. If every type of matter was made up of same type of particles, every type of matter would be the same state and the same temperature. Which box has more thermal energy? This one, both of them have the same temperature. No, I mean have the same mass. This is big. This is a red big cube. This has it's a big blue cube, and also we have the same state, solid, solid. And but we have difference in temperature. We have 20 Fahrenheit and 80. Who's greater? It's the 80. Look, it's 80 Fahrenheit because it has more thermal energy. Because it has higher temperature. Okay, what makes up a substance? Particles are different each from other because they do not act the same under the same conditions. Like helium. Helium does not act like water or oxygen or carbon. Matter is made up of atoms. Matter, atoms. This is an atom. Let's think this atom is a black ball. That's a black ball. Everything that's in the black ball is called an atom. Like this, an atom. The circles are called atoms. Matter has particles. An atom is a small particle that is a building block of matter. They have neutrons, protons, electrons, and the nucleus. Matter and an atom. Different types of matter are formed by the combination of different atoms. Example, oxygen and hydrogen combine to form water. H2O. Carbon dioxide is made up of carbon and oxygen atoms. Substance. Substance is a matter that always has the same composition. That it means they never change. Made of different types of matter. Has its own unique properties such as melting point and boiling point. Examples of substance: gold, metal, copper, sugar, diamond, hydrogen gases. So gold is Au, that is in the periodic table. It's an element. Copper is an element. Sugar is a combination of sodium and chlorine. Yeah. Diamond is carbon. Hydrogen is hydrogen. It's an yes, and also diamond is not a compound. It is an element because it's made out of carbon atoms. It's only carbon. Salt is made of C6H12O6. 6 carbon atoms, 12 hydrogen atoms, and 6 oxygen atoms. Thanks for watching.